this Sunday night, a breakthrough in the treatment of Alzheimer's. Thursday, the Food and Drug Administration gave full regulatory approval for a new drug called Leqembi. Michael Hoffman joins us in the studio with more background. Now, Michael, what is the significance of this new drug?
Well, Francis, while other drugs used in the past to combat Alzheimer's were all aimed at symptom management, Leqembi is the first drug the FDA has approved that will aim to slow the development of the disease by as much as 28%. Leqembi, the first drug that shows serious reduction in the development of Alzheimer's, has finally been approved by the FDA. Mark Applegate with Senior Age in Springfield says it is a massive breakthrough in the treatment of the disease.
We're finally entering the treatment era instead of just the patching the bandage, the wound era. It's the first real step, honestly.
Absolutely.
It's exciting.
Applegate's mother was diagnosed with Alzheimer's 15 years ago, and while this drug aims to treat newer cases, he says he hopes it will help other families in the same situation early on.
Because my mother is beyond the scope of the treatment to be helping. It's the sort of treatment you need to catch the disease early on, and I would have had to have caught it 15 years ago for her to be helped with it. However, I know hundreds of people with the disease or with what they call mild cognitive impairment, kind of the pre-disease, that this would very much, it'd be a very big deal for.
Dr. Lawrence Honig from Columbia University says Leqembi targets a specific protein that forms plaques in the brain of Alzheimer's patients. He says that it's important to understand that the drug is not a cure and was only tried in people in the early stages of Alzheimer's disease.
People who are moderate or severe, we would not know whether this drug was efficacious, and we would not even know whether it was safe.
Applegate says that because it took a while to approve, there are potentially thousands who will miss out on the treatment. Reports say the drug may cost over $26,000 a year and that Medicare will cover about 80% of that cost after patients have met their deductible, which could mean several $1,000s out of pockets. Francis?
All right.